हेलो फ्रेंड्स, आज हम बात करेंगे नेगोशिएबल इंस्ट्रूमेंट 138 के बारे में। 143A ऑफ द एनआई एक्ट जो ऐसा कहता है कि अगर अक्यूज को समन इश्यू हो गया, उसके बाद प्री रिकॉर्ड होगी, तो अक्यूज को 20% जो अमाउंट है वो एज एन डिपॉजिट कॉम्पनसेशन कोर्ट में पे करना पड़ेगा पहले। उसी लाइन पर एक रिसेंट जजमेंट है जिसमें ऐसा कहा गया है कि मजिस्ट्रेट कोर्ट को 1% से लेकर 20% तक ऑर्डर कर सकते हैं। ज़रूरी नहीं है कि कोर्ट 20% का ही ऑर्डर करे डिपॉजिट करने का। उसी लाइन पर एक अगला जजमेंट है जो आप देख सकते हो।
Hello, future judges. Today we are decoding negotiable instruments. Let's break it down with examples you will never forget. Section 13 of the Negotiable Instruments Act says that a negotiable instrument is a written document guaranteeing the payment of a specific amount of money, either on a demand or on a future date, transferable by endorsement, that is by signing or by a delivery. Think it like a VIP pass. You hand it over to your friend, the next person gets the benefit. That's it. Okay. So the key word is it must be written and signed, and it must be an unconditional promise or an order, and it is payable on demand or future, and mainly it must be transferable. Mr. A gives Mr. B a check of 50,000 rupees. Now Mr. B can deposit it or endorse it to Mr. C. So that's a check. Boom. It's a negotiable instrument. Now coming to promissory note defined under section 4 of the same act, a promissory note is an unconditional written promise to pay a certain amount. A real life example would be a friend borrows a 10,000 rupees and signs a note saying that I promise to pay back by 10th August. So that's your promissory note in action. But if he pays or not, that is different. Okay. Now coming to bill of exchange, it is defined under section 5 of the same act. It is like a big brother who orders others to pay the amount. Now see the definition. A bill of exchange is an order in writing from one person to another to pay a specific sum to a third party. A real life example would be Mr. X in Delhi tells Mr. Y in Mumbai, pay rupees 2 lakh to Mr. Z in Pune on 15th September. That is a bill of exchange. Check is defined under section 6 of the Negotiable Instrument Act. You order anyone to pay, it's called as a bill of exchange. But you order a bank to pay, that is called as a check. A check is a bill of exchange drawn on a bank, but it is payable on demand. It's basically a digital age money before online banking existed. Now the keywords is it is payable on demand, it is a bill of exchange, but it is drawn on a banker. So the takeaway is promissory note defined under section 4 is an unconditional promise to pay. Bill of exchange defined under section 5 is a written order to pay another person. And check is defined under section 6. It is a bill of exchange but drawn on a bank payable on demand.